Okay, next I'm going to drill those holes. What I'm going to do is just to double click one of these holes, the inner surface. All these holes are selected simultaneously, and now I will just press new roughing hole machining. This is it. As you can see, the diameter of this hole is 10 millimeters. SprutCAM automatically have chosen 10 millimeter drill for this operation. All I need to do is just go to Tool tab and choose the holder. I think this one will, oops, not this one, but this one will be good. I will decrease a little bit the length of the tool. I think 120 millimeters is fine for me. Press this apply changes and run. Okay, here is the toolpath for holes machining. Okay, very good. And the last thing I'm going to do is to clean these those areas where the rest material from roughing waterline operation is left.